Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. I hope you're all well at home and I hope you've all found some nice coins this weekend. We are back with the results of close-up coins. There was 5 coins up for guessing. The first coin was an alphabet coin, the J for Jubilee. Coin number 2 was indeed that of the 2017 Sir Isaac Newton. 2018 as well would have been correct. Next coin, we have got the Royal Cipher of Queen Elizabeth II off the Platinum Jubilee 50p coin. That coin released last year in 2022. Coin number 4, back to those alphabet coins, and it is that of the English Breakfast, one of those that I did have this morning. And finally, number 5, another 2022 50p coin, a coin that everyone got correct. It was that of the 2022 Pride 50p. Now, plenty of you got them correct. I couldn't actually believe how fast the first person got it correct, so a huge shout out to Hooked on Classics. Within 5 minutes of the video going up, 5 correct answers. A huge shout out to you. Now, I did say there's going to be another one of these games coming up this weekend. The video is made. I'm going to upload it straight after this. I'm going to schedule it for 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. UK time. So again, I'm sure by 2 minutes past 3, there'll be 5 correct answers. Now, all of the close-up coins in the next video are alphabet coins. So again, just trying to mix things up. Fun and exciting. Some of them a little bit more difficult than others, but I'm more than sure everyone will get them correct. Hope you've all had an amazing weekend. Again, we're going to do that video. Close-up coins again. New round opening. Straight into another £100 of 50p coin hunt. We're going to go over the results just after 7 o'clock of the guest stands coins. A new round will open, and we've also got a £250 coin hunt along with a question and answers video to come. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. Thank you all for the support as always. Less than 2,000 subscribers away from 30,000, and I'm sure we'll be hitting that around the end of March. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.